So I'm at the Summerhill Winery and we're looking at a swale that they've put in order to establish a food forest or some sort of perennial grain system of some sort. And the swale's being dug really effectively, however there's no place for the water to go in the event of a large rain event. So what I'm actually recommending is that the soil here, which is kind of being mounded at the end of the swale, get pulled down so that it's in line with the rest of the swale on the bottom. And then what they actually have to do is survey in a spillway. So essentially, if the bottom of the swale measures out, let's just use a random number, it doesn't really matter because it's all relative when we're surveying, to 1.50 meters, let's just assume that when I put my staff in there relative to my survey equipment, I've got 1.50 meters in there. What I actually have to do is I have to survey in a line on the ruler, on the staff, because when we move uphill, that number at 1.50 meters is going to go down, not up. So we have to survey in 200 millimeters above the bottom of the swale and draw a line in the landscape. So if that's 1.50 meters, our spillway is going to get set to 1.30 meters. And what we'll come out and we'll do is we'll put flags every 10 centimeters to create a very, very tight line that will create our spillway. And instead of mounding the soil on the bottom side of the swale, what we're going to end up with is a contour line that we're going to cut very, very carefully with a very sharp shovel, so that when the water comes, it'll passively move over top of that spillway. And the reason we do this, the reason we want to go 200 millimeters above the bottom of the swale, is so that when the swale fills up, it holds 200 millimeters of water, which over the course of the rain event and slightly afterwards is going to actually infiltrate water into the landscape and hydrate this entire embankment right here. So passively hydrate it. And that's how we create fertility, by harvesting water on the broad acre.